how to use your American Express card internationally. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this following video, I'm going to show you the ways to use your American Express card internationally. Now you can use your American Express card internationally in most countries around the world. American Express card are accepted at millions of merchants and ATM worldwide, making them a convenient payment option for travelers. Here is some key points to keep in mind while using the American Express. First thing, you need to make sure that the American Express card are accepted at a wide range of merchants globally, including restaurants, hotel, retailers, and online merchants as well. However, acceptance may vary depending on the country and the specific merchant. While American Express cards are widely accepted in many popular travel destinations, and there may be some locations where acceptance is limited. Likewise, when making purchase in a foreign currency, your American Express card will typically convert the transaction amount into the card's paying currency, usually your local currency. Using this current exchange rate, American Express pays a foreign transaction fee, foreign transaction for a transaction made in the foreign country as well. And you can continue to use your card to make purchase anywhere that accepts American Express. However, keep in mind that the currency conversion fee may apply to your transaction as well. So that's how you can use the American Express card internationally. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.